Bonjour, mes chers élèves. Good morning, my dear students. In lesson Fair Echoes, we saw Madame Loving buys many things in a shop. She goes a particular shop to buy everything. Most of we will go for to the market to buy all the things in the same place. And some of you will go for the supermarket where you can get all the things except one or two, three things. Now we are going to learn about what are the names of shop and what are the available products in a particular shop. For example, if you go to the bakery, you have all kinds of products which is sell out in a bakery, but we won't get those things in some other shops. As like that, in this lesson, you're going to learn about shops and what are the products will be in that shop. At first, où faites-vous les courses? Where do you go shopping for food? Où faites-vous les courses? Courses means shopping. Où faites-vous means where you do shopping. You will go for a shopping. Where do you go shopping for food? On peut faire les courses au supermarché. We go to the supermarket. Supermarket means supermarché, where like a pothys, where you can get all the products in a particular place like vegetables, saris, household things, everything in a particular place. Là, on trouve toutes les produits because in that place we can have all kinds of products. On peut aussi acheter les produits dans la boutique spéciale. That means we also go for some other shops like where you can get a special items like bakery items. You will be in with the bakery. Okay, it won't be in some other places. We have a special shop for these kind of shops, and also in like Pothys you can get, but everything we won't get in Pothys. What we get in a particular shop. So as like that, here also we are going to learn a shop and what will be we are getting in there. First one, a la boulangerie. Boulangerie means it is bakery and where you can get only bread, types of bread. There are different types of bread like pain, croissant, baguette, etc. Here you only get a bread items, different kind of bread. Pain means it is a normal bread. Croissant means it is like a moon shape. Crescent we will say, isn't it? Moon shape bread. Baguette means it is a long bread like a roll bread what we eat in our country. These things we only will be in boulangerie. And next one it is la pâtisserie. Pâtisserie means only cake item will be there. All types of cakes will be in pâtisserie. Some places in France we can see same shop they divided into two. One as boulangerie, another one as a pâtisserie. Here all kinds of cakes will be available. Some such as Strat. Strat means it is like which contains decorated with fruits, nuts and sugar. Okay, but different kinds of things will be in Strat. Brioche. Brioche means it is also a cake. It is small round roll. It is like a small round roll. And eclair. Eclair it is a long bread which contains of different kinds of essence like different types of flavors, strawberry, chocolate, vanilla, like that. It is a roll shaped one, eclair. These things will be available in patisserie. Patisserie means where you can get a cake items. Boucherie. Boucherie means it is a mutton shop. Boucherie means it is a mutton shop. La boucherie. All types of meat will be there. Beyond the mince meat, all types of wheat. Most of the meats are beef. Beef means buffalo. Poulet means chicken. Mouton means sheep, etc. These things will be in boucherie. La crèmerie. Crèmerie means cream items like bread. We will have certain things, isn't it? Along with bread, we will have jam, cheese, butter, all milk products will be there. These things are will be available in cremerie. Beurre means butter, fromage means cheese, les produits laitiers means milk product. These things all will be in a cremerie. And l'épicerie means like ordinary shop, like a grocery shop. Épicerie means it is a grocery shop. It is like a small, it is not a big supermarket, but it is will be small in shape, ordinary shop which is available nearby our house. Here you can see thé, café, l'épicerie de toutes les sortes de produits. Épicerie, no, all types of spices like garam masala powder, chicken powder, and all items will be there. Coffee powder, tea powder, milk, like that. Ordinary or shops, or it will be grocery shop, it is called épicerie. Le marché means it is market. Mostly market means what comes to our mind, mostly it is vegetables, fruits. As like that you can see fruits, vegetables in market. And next one it is la poissonnier. Poissonnier means fish. All types of fish items will be there. In French they will say le fruit de mer. Fruit de mer means it is seafood which is available in sea. That is called le fruit de mer. That means poisson, crab, l'huître, etc. Poisson means fishes. Crab, you know, crab, same. Huître means like shellfish.